The mother is working for his child means a mother is employed or putting in significant effort, physical, emotional, or financial to support her child's well-being future and upbringing for sacrificing her own comfort for their betterment. This indicates balancing a career with caregiving, aiming for financial stability, or providing a role model of independence. Usage examples: financial and emotional support. She works overtime to pay for her child's tuition and ensure they feel secure, sacrificing sleep. Role modeling. A working mother demonstrating independence, time management, and dedication to her career, which teaches her child's responsibility. Dual roles. Managing both a career and domestic responsibilities such as cooking and childcare to provide a structured life. Sacrifice. A mother taking on extra burdens or a challenging job solely to provide a better life for her child. Synonyms and related phrases. A working mom or mother, a devoted provider, a hard-working mother, a balancing parent, a mother sacrificing for her family, a mother managing an invisible load. Key aspects of the phrase, balancing act. A working mother often manages both professional career and home responsibilities. Benefit for the child. Children of working mothers often become more independent, responsible, and develop a sense of equity. Devotion. The work is driven by love, aiming to secure the child's future and happiness. Contribution. She contributes to society while maintaining her role as a loving parent. Note: the praise for his child typically implies her child in this context, focusing on the child perspective. Thank you for watching. This is Vanessa Vegas Daily Vlog. Until next time.